Is Microsoft Teams not opening on your computer? Maybe you click the app and nothing happens, it gets stuck loading, or it opens and immediately closes. In this guide, I'll show you several fixes, starting with the easiest ones and moving to more advanced solutions. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. This can clear temporary Windows or application problems that may be preventing Teams from launching. Select Start, choose Power, then Restart. After Windows loads again, try opening Teams. If Teams still won't open, make sure it's not running in the background. Check the system tray near the clock, click the Teams icon, and choose Quit if it's available. Then try launching Teams again. Yeah, sometimes the app is running even when you can't see its window. Next, check your internet connection. Open a browser and visit a website to confirm your connection is working. If you're using Wi-Fi, reconnect to the network or restart your router, then try Teams again. Microsoft also recommends checking your connection when Teams can't reconnect. If the desktop app still won't open, try Teams in your web browser. Go to the Microsoft Teams website and sign in. If the web version works normally, the problem is likely related to the desktop application rather than your account. On Windows, you can also try repairing the app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Microsoft Teams and open its advanced options. If available, choose Repair first. If that doesn't help, you can try Reset. Windows provides these options for apps that aren't working correctly. Another option is clearing the Teams cache. First, completely quit Teams. Then open File Explorer and enter %appdata %/Microsoft/Teams. Delete the contents of that folder, then restart Teams and try signing in again. Microsoft lists cache clearing as a troubleshooting step for Teams connection problems. If Teams still won't open, the installation may need an update or a fresh installation. If you can access Teams settings, check for updates. Otherwise, uninstall Teams and install it again. Microsoft recommends reinstalling the desktop app when other troubleshooting steps don't solve the problem. And that's how to fix Microsoft Teams when it won't open. Restart your PC, completely quit Teams, check your internet, try the web version, repair or reset the app, clear its cache, and reinstall it if necessary. So work through these fixes one at a time, and you should be able to get Teams running again.